Hey y'all, it's your girl Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, today I will be talking to you guys about this wig that I am wearing on my head. This unit, if you guys did not see my video on unboxing this 18-inch body wave headband wig, it is in the description box below. So let's get into this hair. So I got this hair about, let's just say 2.5, so let's just say 3 weeks ago. And honestly, I'm just gonna tell y'all if it's really worth y'all buck. If you guys did not watch my video, as I said before, please go watch that, because I tell you guys how much I paid for it, the inch, the body, what type it is. So yeah, so I did pay $80 for this. This is human hair and I love it. I absolutely love it. Like, honestly, I am a teacher, so being a teacher, waking up, just throwing this on every day and just doing my edges and like the front of my hair, this is A1. So if you're in a rush and you need a wig or hairstyle that can go like that and still look bomb, then this is for you. 3 weeks. Let's just talk about the tangling. This hair does not tangle at all. I can run my hand through this hair and there's no shedding. Well, okay, so in the morning I brush my hair with this brush, this type of brush, and I start from my bottom and work my way up. And of course there is like a few hairs, but nothing like crazy, nothing crazy. And then when I first got the hair, I shampooed and conditioned with the Carol's Daughter, the Green Supreme. I got this from Marshall's. This is a conditioner, and then I use the shampoo. And then on this card, they tell y'all what to do with the hair when y'all first get it. Y'all wash it, co-wash it. I shampooed and conditioned this hair. And when I shampooed and conditioned it, just like a few strands came out, but nothing crazy. Your hair sheds, so of course your weave is going to shed. And my daily care for this hair, when I like brush it out, you know, scrunch it up and style it up, it does not shed that much. The only time it sheds is when I brush it with the comb. So when it comes to shedding, this hair is good. Next, the smell. I know a lot of you guys don't order hair because of the smell. Usually me, I stopped ordering weave because to me it gave me like a fish scent, especially when it's like virgin hair, and I was like, oh no, like I can't do it. But this hair does not smell. This hair does not smell. I be putting like my oils and my mousse and my creams, and sometimes, you know, I spill up perfume on there just for like, you know, but it does not smell other than that if I don't spray no perfume on it. But it's like a natural scent, so it does not smell. So it all depends on what you wash your hair with and what you put in the hair. Next, the length, the 18 inches. I would say it's the same density throughout the top all the way down to the bottom. I love it. It is not shedding. Like when I said shedding, like it's not getting thinner. It's the same density as when I got it out the box. All right, so I don't do much to this hair. The only thing I do is wet it with like my mist bottle and then comb it out and then put some mousse on it, like shrink it up, so it can get like this natural wave in the hair. And that's it. I wet it every day, it air dries, and that's all I do. I must be honest though, on the back, like the back, it does like rub against my clothes, so there's a few tangles. So every night I'll take my brush and I'll brush it through, and I'll put some oil and conditioner, and that helps it for the next day. And then throughout the day I can still run my hand like through the back of the hair, and it still like feels good and look good. So that's the only con, but you can get that with any hair. Like, of course your hair gonna rub on your back, so I would highly recommend this hair. Now, that is my 3-week update on this hair. Highly recommended for beginners, for advanced, for people in the middle. If y'all trying to see if y'all trying to do the wigs or not, I'm telling y'all this is the wig to try. This is let me tell you, a lifesaver. All I do is put this on, take it off, and listen. I'm the type of person where I need like a wig sewn out on my hair, but the combs in this hair, it secures it down, and plus like my headband on top of their headband, period. Highly recommend. But yeah guys, that is my video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, share, subscribe this video off to your friends. Let them know about Mesha Curlz, what she's doing on this channel. Guys, I will see you guys on Sunday. You guys will have a video up for Sunday. I'm going to be vlogging my whole entire weekend. Honestly, these past couple of weekends has been amazing, and I have like a lot of footage. I'm like, hey, let me just throw it out there. So I will see you guys on Sunday, and I will see y'all later.